ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We are seeing these shabdas. We finished up to 13. Now we are going to see 14th one. Can anyone translate? Vastram vayati. Weaving of the cloth. Yes. Telugu?
వస్త్రం కుడుతుంది.
నేస్తున్నాడు. తెలుగు నేస్తున్నాడు. కుడుతున్నాడు కూడా వస్తుంది. శిశుః మూర్ఛతి.
The child is fainting.
Child is
Fainting.
painting.
F as in free form, fainting or becoming unconscious.
Okay. What is the spelling?
F as in free, AINTING. Same as painting, without you P, you substitute with F.
Oh, okay. शिष्यः गुरुं श्रयति.
శిష్యువు గురువును సేవిస్తున్నాడు. శిష్యుడు.
Yes. In English?
The students are listening to the teacher.
Shrayati is doing seva.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was Shravanam.
Okay. It is Shray.
Thank you.
This is Shri. Hrasva ikaranta Shri dhatu. Shrayati.
Okay. So the students are serving the teacher.
Yes. Please, others also should answer. जनकः पुत्रं भरति.
What's the dhatu for Bharati?
Bhru dhatu. Bhru bharanam.
Oh, so to listen or to speak, sorry. Father speaks to the son?
Speak or seek?
Speak. Bhru dhatu, I thought means to uvacha, right?
No.
No, not that bhru.
Bharati means to do poshana. Bharanam
okay.
means poshana.
Okay. Okay. So father sustains the son.
Yes. Telugu?
తండ్రి
Or
పుత్రుడిని
Bharanam?
పోషిస్తున్నాడు.
Bharanam English another word is Bharanam to bear. What is the Telugu?
తండ్రి పుత్రుడిని పోషిస్తున్నాడు.
భరిస్తున్నాడు లేదా పోషిస్తున్నాడు. వాయుః సరతి.
Wind is blowing.
గాలి ప్రవహిస్తుంది.
వీస్తుంది.
For
Jalam.
follow to complain.
జలం can do.
అవునమ్మా, జలం ప్రవహిస్తుంది, గాలి వీస్తుంది.
What are you saying, Shivananji?
Follow. What is that? Bharati compliance. Father is taking compliance. You can use nama for pollen portion.
To bear. Bharati means to bear actually.
Taking care of means pollen portion. Compliance.
Yes, we can take in that way also. Okay, next one. इस लड़की का पढ़ना उसे अच्छा लगता है.
इयं बालिकायाः पठनम् असौ अभिलषति.
Balika is in which case?
बालिकायाः
In which case?
so षष्ठी.
Shashti. What is the Sarvanama Shabda for Balikayaha?
अस्याः.
Yes. Asyaha.
बालिकायाः पठनम् असौ अभिलषति.
Here in this chapter they have given ruch dhatu, right? Rochati. Not in this dhatu, I think, in this chapter, but in previous chapter might have given rochati. Then ruch dhatu, when it comes, chaturthi vibhakti we have to use. I think this came in earlier chapter.
Is it amushyaihi, right? Amushyaihi rochati.
Amushya is the Sarvanama Shabda only. Yes, even Tat Shabda also Sarvanama Shabda. But we should use here Tasmai. Yeah,
Tasmai roch.
Amushmai also we can use. Yes.
Okay.
Tasmai rochate. Both we can use. आ कन्या भोजनम वंडटम ईमेको. Oh sorry, I am reading in Telugu. उस कन्या का खाना पकाना इसे अच्छा लगता है.
अम्मा तस्याः बालिकायाः पाकं तस्मै रोचते.
तस्याः, is it balika or kanya?
कन्यायाः.
Say again.
तस्याः बालिकायाः पाकं तस्मै रोचते.
Pakam is the Sanskrit word. Is it Telugu word or Sanskrit word?
పాకం తెలుగు వర్డ్ కాదమ్మా.
It came earlier. Pakam word.
లేదమ్మా.
It's in this. It's in this chapter only, right? Pakah.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Paka.
Pacha.
Yes.
Pachana,
Cooked
Paka.
food. Sorry. But that is already made. That pakaha is cooked food. Here, ఆ కన్య భోజనం వండటం ఈమెకు లేదా ఇతనికి చాలా ఇష్టం. భోజనం వండటం. This is lut pratyaya. When lut pratyaya comes, shashti vibhakti comes. Lut pratyaya, when we use, how will be the form for lut pratyaya?
Akka is it? Akka pratyaya?
Not akka, lut pratyaya. Pratyaya is lut ana.
Anna, sorry. I mixed up. So is it pachana or pak?
Yes, pachanam. Lut pratyaya, an will be there. So pach dhatu, an, pachanam. At the end, makara comes because it is napumsakalinga. So lut pratyaya is available only in napumsakalinga. That's why we always see the forms at the end makara. Pachanam, atanam, shayanam, bhojanam, like that. All forms will be there. Now what will be the vakya here?
तस्याः कन्यायाः पचनं तस्मै रोचते.
Kim pachanam? ఏం వండుతుంది?
खाना पकाना.
Bhojanasya. Bhojanasya should be in Shashti Vibhakti. Bhojanasya pachanam. Continue.
भोजनस्य पचनं तस्मै रोचते.
Etasmai rochate. It is not use, ise. So etasmai rochate.
So, Poonaji, the first one, is it not अमुष्याः कन्यायाः
No. This second one, Amushyaha Kanyayaha.
That's what, like, is it अमुष्यायाः कन्यायाः भोजनस्य पचनम् एतस्मै रोचते.
There Tasyaha we can use, Amushyaha we can use. Both are same meanings. Right? Amushyaha is Adas Shabda, Strilinga Shabda, Shashti Ekavachana. Right?
Yes.
Tasyaha is Tat Shabda, Shashti Ekavachanam, Strilinga Shabda. So both meanings are that Kanya, indicating that. Adas Shabda is also indicating that, and Tat Shabda is also indicating others. That.
Okay, so that Sarvanama Shabda should not match the linga of this Kanya. It can be anything, right?
No, it should. Linga should be same. Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti, all are should be same.
So Tat has 3 linga.
Okay.
Yes. Tat Strilinga Shabda, Tasyaha. Tasya is the Pullinga Shabda, Tasyaha is the Strilinga Shabda.
Okay.
Where is the doubt?
I got it, Poonaji. I was just the Strilinga Shabda of Tasyayaha. I didn't get it.
It is not Tasyayaha, Tasyaha.
Tasyaha, sorry. I didn't get that.
Okay. Is this Vakya clear? Tasyaha Kanyayaha Bhojanasya Pachanam Etasmai Rochate. Next one. इस लड़की का जाना देखो. Next, who will do?
बालिकाः गमनं पच
Can you say again?
अस्य बालिकायाः गमनं पच
Asya is which linga?
अस्याः
Asyaha. Asyaha balikayaha gamanam. What is the Kriya Pada?
पच
Pacha means what?
చూడు
What is the Dhatu?
पश्यति oh sorry पश्य
Pashya.
पश्य
Okay, next one. उस बालिका का सोना देखो.
तस्याः बालिकायाः सोना
Shayanam.
शयनं पश्य.
Next. गुरु का उपदेश कैसा?
Just one question.
हाँ, yes, yes.
Dekho can also be Pashya too, right?
देखो,
Uh-huh. In the sentence, the verb dekho,
हाँ, हाँ.
we said Pashya, it can also be Pashya too, right? Bhavan Pashyatu.
Pashyatu will use for Prathama Purusha. Pashya here is Madhyama Purusha. So
Right.
the Vakya is looks like talking to the person who is in front of them,
Okay.
like second person. Prathama Purusha is third.
Yeah, no, the reason I was thinking was Bhavan. But yeah, Swam is Pashya, is what you're saying. Yeah.
1 minute, I am not able to hear. There is lot of noise here. Next one. इस गुरु का उपदेश कैसा है? इस गुरु का उपदेश कैसा है? उपेंद्र जी. Upendra ji, are you there? Okay, anyone can?
अस्याः गुरोः उपदेशः कथम् अस्ति?
Guru is which linga?
Is ukaranta pullinga.
Okay, asyaha is which linga?
Okay. Sorry. अस्य अस्य गुरोः उपदेशः कथम् अस्ति?
हाँ, उपदेशम.
Okay. Got it, Punaji. अस्य गुरोः उपदेशं कथम् अस्ति?
Yes. Next one. यहाँ कन्या धन का दान करना चाहती है. Next.
एषा कन्या धनस्य दानं कर्तुम् इच्छति.
Or abhilashati.
Okay.
In simple way, abhilashati. So we have not studied so far tumunanta pratyaya. So we can use abhilashati. So that kartum is tumun pratyaya.
Okay.
Next. अध्ययन के लिए गुरु के सामने जाओ. Use the krute word. Why you all are taking so much time?
Can I say, Punaji?
Yes, whoever wants to say, say. Whoever doesn't want to say, let them.
अध्ययनस्य कृते गुरोः पुरस्तात् गच्छ.
Yes. Next one. भोजन के लिए घर के अंदर आओ.
भोजनार्थं गृहे अन्तः आगच्छन्तु.
Whenever antaha shabda comes in this chapter, it is said use the Shashti Vibhakti. Right? Dura, Antika. In that, antaha shabda when it comes, antaha antare. I think that sutra. By that sutra, antaha shabda whenever it comes, gruhasya. Gruhe is also correct, but here we can use gruhasya.
Okay.
So, bhojanartham is also correct. Bhojanasya hetoho. This is also correct.
So is it not Bhojanasya Krute or Bhojanasya Heto?
That is also correct. Bhojanasya hetoho is correct. Bhojanasya krute is also correct. Bhojanartham is also correct. All are correct. We can say any one way. Kriya pada, what did you say?
आगच्छतु अनु. आगच्छन्तु अनु.
Agacha.
आगच्छ.
Next one. गांव के समीप या दूर से इस लड़की के लिए फूल लाओ.
रामस्य निकष दूरात् एषा बालिकस्य पुष्पम् आनयति.
గ్రామానికి దగ్గర నుంచి ఈ బాలికల కోసం పుష్పాలు తీసుకొని రా. బాలికల కోసం, which vibhakti should be there?
चतुर्थी.
Chaturthi. What is the Chaturthi here?
बालिकाय.
Balikaya? Balika is Strilinga Shabda. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम is what?
बालिकाय
बालिकायै
बालिकायै
बालिकायै हाँ चतुर्थी एकवचनम बालिकायै. When it is ya, remember it is pullinga. Ramaya. When it is I, strilinga. Balikaya, Ramaya, at the end only ya will be there. If it is yay, then it is strilinga. What is the Sarvanama Shabda for that?
तस्यै
Tasyai or asyai also we can use. Tasyai balikayai. What is the continuation sentence?
पुष्पम् आनयति
If it is ekavachanam, pushpam anaya. If it is bahuvachanam, pushpani anaya. I'm not sure whether it is ekavachanam or bahuvachanam. Anyone can help? Is that bahuvachanam or ekavachanam?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. Okay, if it is bahuvachanam, what should be there?
फूले
Huh?
is फूले correct Prabha?
No, I don't think fool will change, right?
Even bahuvachan fool is same. Okay, I don't. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, we can assume that if it is ekavachanam, then pushpam anaya. If it is bahuvachanam, pushpani anaya. Okay, next one. राम के तुल्य कोई नहीं है.
रामस्य तुल्यः किमपि नास्ति.
Kim is which linga? Napumsakalinga. If it is pullinga, so person we use pullinga. Kaha. Kaha api nasti. Next one. इस बालक का कुशल है. कुशल हो. Next.
अस्य बालकस्य कुशलं सन्ति.
Kushalam. Okay, kushalam bhuyat. We can use bhuyat shabda.
Okay.
Bhuyat is the lot lakara. Yes. इस लड़की की ये पुस्तकें हैं.
अस्य बालिकस्य एतानि पुस्तकानि सन्ति
Can you repeat again?
अस्याः बालिकायाः एतानि पुस्तकानि सन्ति।
Santi is not required, just pustakani. Pustakani is enough. यहाँ बादल गर जाता है.
गरजता है.
हाँ.
यह बादल गरजता है.
Okay, what did I say? गर जाता है. Okay, गरजता है. What is the translation?
एषः मेघाः गर्जन्ति। एषः मेघाः
Your voice is breaking.
एषः मेघाः गर्जन्ति।
It is ekavachanam.
गर्जति।
I think it should be bahuvachanam only. We cannot use that vakya in ekavachanam. But if we use bahuvachanam, eshaha meghaha, not eshaha. And not eshaha, sorry. एषः एतौ एताः एताः मेघाः गच्छन्ति. Right?
This sentence is in ekavachanam only though.
Ekavachanam.
Otherwise it will be ye badal instead of yah.
Okay. But we never use that one cloud is.
Yeah, but that's how they have written.
That's
And
why I
it
am
will become
mentioning it
garjate
as
hai.
plural.
Yeah. Correct. Colloquially, it doesn't work that way.
Yes.
I have one question. In the previous sentence, you said, "Is ladki ki ye pustake." Why do we not have to say something? There is no verb otherwise in the sentence, right?
These books are these books are belongs to this girl. That is the meaning, right?
Yeah. But in the Sanskrit form, unless we put santi, you're saying it can be implied and it doesn't have to be written.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Yes. Because there is no in Vakya, Kriya Pada is not using, right? Okay, in Hindi, this hai is the Kriya Pada.
Yeah.
Hai is indicating Kriya Pada. Okay. In Telugu, we don't use in this Vakya any Kriya Pada. So that's how I said, that's how I said no need of Kriya Pada. But we can use Santi. We can use Santi. Okay.
You also said that not Eshaha. Can you explain that? Why is it not Esha? If it were plural, why won't it be Eshaha Meghaha?
Pullinga. Megha is the Pullinga Shabda, right?
Right. So plural would be Meghaha.
Ete. Sarvanama Shabda should be also Pullinga. So Tat Shabda, Sarvanama Shabda, Ekavachanam is Yeshaha, but Bahuvachanam is Ete.
So there is only for Tat Shabda, not for Esha Shabda. There is no such thing as Esha, Eshaha.
No, there is no Yeshaha Shabda.
Okay. So it is only Tad Shabda.
Okay, Tat Shabda, Prathama Ekvachanam will be Yeshaha, but all other Shabdas are Etau, Ete, like that it goes. Shakara won't come in any of those Shabdas. Only Prathama Ekvachanam, Shakara will come.
Okay.
Then in Etat Shabda, Etat Shabda also, Eshaha will come.
Etau, Ete. Okay. So, okay. Somewhere I found Esha, but that is wrong.
Yesha is the without Visarga Strilinga Shabda.
Okay. So there is no Pullinga Esha. Okay. Or thank you.
Any other question? Okay. Next one. पुत्र मूर्छित होता है.
पुत्रः मूर्छति.
यहाँ बालक पिता का आश्रय लेता है.
इदं बालकः जनकस्य आश्रयति.
Can you repeat again?
Is balak. Okay. अस्य बालकः अस्य बालकः जनकस्य आश्रयति.
Asya is which vibhakti?
षष्ठी.
Balaka is which vibhakti?
Okay. अस्य बालकाय.
Balaka should be in which vibhakti?
षष्ठी.
Prathama or Shashti? Karma should be in Shashti when we take Ashraya. Saha balakaha. What is the continuation? Vakya?
जनकस्य आश्रयति.
Janakasya Ashrayati or Pitoho Ashrayati. Either way we can use.
That balaka I didn't get. Sorry, asking again once again. Saha balakaha.
One
बालकः
minute. Yaha means what in Hindi?
एषः
Yashaha. Eshaha balakaha.
Hmm.
Us means saha. Okay.
श्रयति आर् आश्रयति
Mm.
श्रयति కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు
Shrayati seva. Shrayati means doing seva. Ashrayati means taking support. Continue Shivananji.
అమ్మ పితుహు అనా అమ్మ నజరన పితుహు
Sorry, pituhu. Ekavachanam is pituhu. Guruhu pituhu. No, it is Rukaranta Shabda.
it still says pituhu.
పితుహు
Okay. Continue Shivananji.
Karma is in Shashti. In this karma is Pita. It's like that we have to consider.
Yes, yes.
Ashrayati, leta he means like how we have to translate in Sanskrit.
Ashrayati, in that itself, Ashray leta hai, that meaning will come.
Like that only. Okay.
Ashrayati means taking support.
Okay.
Suppose
So
we
that
want to say ashrayam leta hai. I don't know how to say leta hai in Sanskrit. Suppose we want to say
adadati.
Dadati. Pitru.
Dadati means to give.
Yes.
Dadati means to give. Adadati means to take.
Okay, thank you. So pituhu ashrayam adadati. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, next. Raja praja ka palan karta hai. Is this clear, Shivananji? Okay. Raja praja ka palan karta hai.
नृपः प्रजां भरति
Palan karta hai. There, I think some other dhatu could be there.
Then it would be palayati.
Yes, brew also. Brew also. Correct dhatu. You can use brew dhatu or palayati. Both can be there. Can you repeat the vakya again?
नृपः प्रजां ब्रूयति
Bharati.
भरति ओके
हवा चलती है.
In the previous sentence, can we say palanam karoti? Is that correct?
Yes. Palanam karoti is also correct. If we use palanam, then praja will be in shashti vibhakti.
Prajayaha palanam karoti.
Palanam karoti.
Okay.
So whenever we use lyut pratyaya, we should remember that karma will be in karta or karma will be in shashti. Here we are using karma in shashti. Like matuhu smarati, they're also using karma only, shashti. Hava chalti hai.
वायुः सरति
वह वस्त्र बुनता है.
सः वस्त्रं वयति
तू खाता है, पीता है, बात करता है और जीता है. In one vakya, all words we have to use.
त्वं खादसि, पिबसि, वदसि च जीवसि.
Cha should be at the end.
वदसि च जीव.
Jita means what?
जीवति.
Jivasi. Jivasi is the correct. Tvam is there, na? मैं ईश्वर का ध्यान करता हूँ.
अहम ईश्वरस्य ध्यानं करोमि.
अहम ईश्वरं ध्यायामि also correct.
Yes, both are correct. Dhyanam may not be lut pratyaya. 1 minute, I'll check. Yes, dhyanam is lut pratyaya only. Next, मैं पानी में तैरता हूँ.
अहम जले प्लवामि. This is Saptami. This is Saptami, no? पानी में.
Yes, Saptami. But we have not come to Saptami. Is there any niyama for true dhatu?
Yes, Purnaji, the Shashti comes, right?
Which niyama is that?
66.
66.
कर्तु कर्मणोः कृति.
But we are not using any of these kridanta pratyayas. That is only for kridanta pratyayas. We are using here as lat lakara. So jale is the correct. Saptami is correct. Yushmad means you. Yushmad is also Sarvanama Shabda. Simhaha akaranta pullinga, pratakala akaranta pullinga, madhyahnaha akaranta pullinga, sayankalaha. All meanings you all know. Yushmad means you, Simha means lion, pratakala early morning, madhyana afternoon, sayankala evening. Margaha means road. Nisha, night. Save. Save means to serve. Labh means to obtain. Or prapta, to gain. Vruddh dhatu, vruddhau, to grow. Mud dhatu, harshani, prerane, harshana, means to be happy. Sahadatu, to endeavor. Sahanam. Yach dhatu, to beg. Vrit dhatu, to be. Vartanam. Iksh dhatu, to see. Niriksha. Niriksha also to see. Vand dhatu, to do namaskar. Bhash, to speak. Urd means to play. Yat, to do effort. Shiksha. Shiksha means to learn. Kamp dhatu, to move. Bhiksha, to beg. Iha. Iha dhatu. Iha is also to desire. Here they have given chahana, means to desire. But in Ashtadhyayi, ih dhatu means cheshtayam. This ih means icha, that meaning is not there in Ashtadhyayi. Cheshtayam, to do. Shubh means to be deeptav, to blow, to shine. Ram dhatu, ramanam, to enjoy. These are the dhatus and shabdas. We will see Yushmad Shabda. And all these dhatus, starting from Sev dhatu to Ram dhatu, all are Atmanepadi dhatus. So now we have to learn Atmanepadi. There was a question, how to recognize Sya and Shya. Where Sya comes, where Shya comes. So say it, need forget about it. Just remember this. Bhavishyati is there. Here Shya comes. In some other dhatus, like
Pasyati.
Hasyate.
Pasyati.
Not hasyati. Hasishyati will come there.
Pasyati.
Pasyati. Okay. Pib dhatu, pasyati. So there pasyati is there. Here bhavishyati is there. If ikara comes, then sa will change into sha, murdanya sha. This is a sutra adesha pratyayoho. By this sutra, sakara will change into shakara. Dantya sakara will change into murdanya shakara. What is the nimitta here is inkoho parasya apadantasya adesha rupasya pratyaya. I forget about all this. If before that, before sakara, if there is in pratyahara and kavarga, if it is there, then in ko is given as kavarga or only ka. I will check later. If it is Kavarga or only Kakara, but in means E, U. Before Sakara, if there is Ikara, if there is Ukara and Kakara, these three letters are there, then Sakara will change into Murdhanya Shakara. Like here, before Sakara, Ikara is there. That's why that Sakara will change into Murdhanya Shakara. Piba dhatu, pa dhatu. Pasyati. Here, before Sakara, Akara is there. Before Sakara, in Bhavishyati, Ikara is there. That's why Sakara became Shakara. Here, A is there. That's why Sakara did not change into Shakara. So, if we remember that much, Ikara, Ukara, Kakara. These three comes before Sakara. Then that Sakara will change into Shakara. Then it will become easy Rut Lakara to identify whether it is Sya or whether it is Shya. We'll see dhatus and all other shabdas in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.